Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about the most important part of your computer that it had better that you should know about it. And in this session I'm gonna show you how to increase the RAM of your computer as much as you want. That I guarantee 100% that it will bring some changes into your PC or laptop. For example, if there were any problem in part of operating system, or if you ran any program in your computer, there were some problems. So the problems will be solved by watching this video till the end. And this is to let you know that this method that I'm going to show you today is just for SSD drive, not for HDD one. So if you want to know that whether your drive is HDD or SSD, the thing that you should do from right here is open and start in here, type defragment and optimize drive, and in here open it. And now in this part you can see that on each drive there is written solid state drive. It means it is SSD drive. Whether if there is written hard disk drive, it means your drive is not SSD, it is HDD. So this method will not work in that one. All of my drives are SSD, so this method will work in this one. Let's go. And in here you should just right click on this PC or computer icon and come in part of properties. And in this window you can see that there is written something by the name of installed RAM. The RAM of my computer is 8 GB. So the method that I'm gonna work in here, that I'm gonna show you today, is just do not bring any changes to these number. It means if I'm changing this 8 GB to 16 GB, so these numbers will not change instantly to anything. So the changes will come to internal part of your computer. Let's go. And now click on Advanced System Setting. And in this pop-up window, you should just in Advanced tab, click on Setting. And again in Advanced tab, you should click on Advanced. And in this part, click on Change. In here, the thing that you should do is uncheck this automatically. Now you can see that I have two drives in my computer, drive C and drive E. So the changes, or maybe if I'm just increasing the RAM of my computer, will use from these two drives, whether I use from drive C or drive E. So I'm going to use from drive C. And now in here I'm just going to check this custom size. And here you should enter as much as you want. For example, if I'm changing this 8 GB to 16 GB, so I should enter a number that it should be according to in these. So I'm gonna open calculator, and in calculator, as you know that a gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. So I'm gonna type here 8, just multiple to 1024. So equal. It is 8192. So I'm gonna just copy this one and enter in this part. So I'm gonna close it, and the maximum size I'm gonna type here 9000. So, and in here click on set, and now click on OK, and again click on OK, and again OK. So the thing that you should do is just restart your computer and then come back. Then I'm gonna restart my computer. And this is me again after restarting my computer, and now the RAM of my computer is increased up to 16 GB. So I suggest all of you guys to use from this method, that it maybe help you somehow to increase maybe the performance of your PC or laptop. And I want you guys that if it was useful, just write in the comment. And if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me for more videos. Good luck, and I will see you in the next one.